Hey guys, welcome back to Math Apple 101. Today we're going to talk about using the Pythagorean theorem to find area and lengths of triangles. Okay. To find the area of a triangle that is not a right triangle, using the Pythagorean theorem, we have to use the formula a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Okay, I made a practice problem for us. So first, we have to just zoom in onto this. So this whole side is 8, but we only want this part. So 8 divided by 2, 4. So that whole thing is 4. And now we have to use a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So let's take a squared as 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to question mark squared. Okay, 3 squared, 9 plus 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to question mark squared. 25 is equal to question mark squared. So that means the question mark is equal to 25 square root of 25. So question mark is equal to 5. So that since we know that the question mark is equal to 5, okay, we can say that, I'm just making us more space. So to find the area, we have to do base times height times 1/2. So the base, 8, times, I'm just going to do that in a different color, guys. So base is 8 times the height, 3 times 1/2. So 24 over 1 times 1 over 2. 1 and 12. So area is equal to 12. And the side length is equal to 5. I hope you learned a lot in this video, guys. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe, like, or comment on this video. If you have anything or any math problem you need to solve, please comment in our comment section. Thank you. And please turn on your notifications.